Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by clicking any cell inside the existing Excel table. This immediately reveals the Table Design tab. Once done, inspect the highlighted range to make sure it covers all rows and columns you want colored. If the range is wrong, drag the resize handle to include missing cells. Then move to the Ribbon and Open Table Design. This is where style controls live. You're now poised to change color quickly without touching individual cells, which keeps formatting consistent across the table. You can pick a preset table style from the gallery. Hover each option to preview how it affects headers, banded rows, and total rows. Once you find a base style you like, click More to expand the gallery and access additional built-in palettes. If presets don't match your brand, go to the Home tab, open the Fill Color or Shading menu, and choose more colors to set a custom shade. This gives you precise control over RGB or hex values for consistent color branding. Apply your chosen style and then inspect header, total row, and banded row settings to ensure they display as intended. If formatting behaves unexpectedly, use clear formats on the table range to revert and reapply the style cleanly. Also, make sure conditional formatting rules aren't overriding your colors. Open Conditional Formatting Rules Manager to disable or edit conflicting rules. Finally, save a quick copy of the workbook so you can experiment without risking the original, and you're done. Your table color is consistent and portable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.